Alright, I'm going to show you how to use Newsela. So if you look at, you're going to go to newsela.com, and hopefully you have something that looks a little bit like this. Mine will look a little different because it's the teacher view. But you have a library. Yours, I think, is over farther to the right. And this is where you're probably most likely going to be going. There's all kinds of really interesting articles. There's religion and philosophy, government, geography, world history, U.S. history, primary sources. This is where a lot of students like to be, though, is biographies and careers. Biographies is various people, and there's pop culture people like Bruno Mars. There's historical people like Abraham Lincoln or Harriet Tubman or things like that. If you want to look through there, so you just clicked on that, and here's all kinds of, here's the latest one. So they're not the most recent people, but the most recent updates. So this is mostly older people. You can tell by the black and white. But there's Michelle Wie, there's Bruno Mars. Those are more recent people, of course. So this is the, I believe, the last queen of Hawaii. There's all kinds of different people through here. You could also go to careers, and it just tells about all kinds of jobs that you may never have heard of or maybe thought of. And just remember, you want to use Firefox or Chrome for this. For some reason, Internet Explorer doesn't like it. Okay, so let's read about this. Let's see. Let's say I wanted to be a wildlife biologist, work with animals out, well, maybe not in the wild, but with wild animals. Here I go, and here's my article. What I suggest you do is read the first paragraph here. So you may read the first paragraph, and then if you don't understand it, you can actually change the reading level. Okay, this one doesn't go up very high. About 1,000 is ninth grade level. So this one actually starts out a little bit lower than that. Many of our students, though, are reading down here. So challenge yourself, read that first paragraph, and then bump it down. So let's say I didn't quite understand that first paragraph very well. I wanted to change it. There I go, I changed it. Now what I'm going to do is hit on activities, and I have a writing, and you can always see here, and you can answer the writing there. And you can always see the article, and here's my quiz questions. Okay? So go ahead, and you're going to use newsela.com, and today you can do whatever article you want. Sometimes there'll be ones assigned, and if so, those will pop up. Anytime you want to go back to your just general articles, though, usually you can click this home screen, and there might be a button over here that says explore, and you're going to hit that explore button. And that's it.